Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is the evening of April the 3rd, 2025. That'll make it Thursday night. The Eagles have landed. We are back from Minnesota. And then we made a trip to Wisconsin. Back home. Good to be home. Sorry about the lighting. I forgot to turn the light on in my basement. But yeah, in the sauna from the bunker, we got 126 degrees. And yeah, it feels good to be home. It's great to see the family. It's great to see the new granddaughter. And yeah, tons of fun, but it's good to be back home. And that's it. Crypto Mentor 99, back to usual, back to my daily videos. My schedule's changed a little bit, which I'll get into maybe tomorrow. And it's for the better. But that's it. I'm alive. I'm doing well. Mrs. Crypto Mentor went to the grocery store to supply the refrigerator for the next couple days. We got to go to the store. And that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of our crypto family. You know I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.